This is AKASO Brave 7, and today I'll show how you can swap or change the battery on this action camera. So first, take your action camera and power it off if it isn't switched off already. Now you will need to take it out of a case that it can possibly be in, so make sure to unmount it from whatever case or mount you have in use. Now, once we have the bare camera frame, at its bottom side you have this little button or clip which you need to press upwards, and this little battery compartment opens. Now unfold it all the way, take out the currently inserted battery, and then insert or put a new one in. Make sure to align those contact pins with the contact pins you have at the bottom of this little compartment. So do that, push it in, then close the lid, or actually I've made a mistake and didn't position it properly, and it will not allow you to do that, to close the compartment if you won't put your battery correctly. And here you even have this little instruction that says that this arrow should point to the big screen, to this one. So yeah, I made a mistake. Now close the compartment, and the swap is done. The camera has been replaced successfully, as you will see now by the amount of power that is left. Well, it's full. It was depleted almost all the way, and now the charge is full. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.